Welcome to WebUI Training, Order Entry, Course Number 145, Advanced Line Entry, Order as Needed, Non-Stock Product. This training video will demonstrate the Order as Needed non-stock product type in the Advanced Line Entry function on a sales order in Order Entry. The key fields included are non-stock line type, product, description, price type, and item type. Before starting, you will need to have completed the following courses. Order as needed non-stock product types are set up as a non-stock in Order Entry. They end up being handled as a special order product, which means that it creates an ICSP product record and an ICSW warehouse record for the warehouse that the order is being created in. Since these products are handled as a special type of product, they are searchable, and you can also reorder them for other customers, other orders, and they will be especially helpful when you're doing a continuous job that may use the same type of product on multiple orders throughout the project. For information on how to use the Order as Needed non-stock product procedure, please refer to Employees at Work, as this video will only show you how to enter an Order as Needed non-stock product into the system. From the Advanced Line Entry screen, make sure your backorder line is checked. Your line type is a non-stock in order to create the Order as Needed non-stock product. Select non-stock from the drop-down. The product field should be populated with the vendor product number. To get that number, work with your buyer at your branch to make sure that you have the correct vendor number. Once you have entered the vendor's product number in the product field, tab down to the vendor number, select from the drop-down from a previous vendor, or click the spyglass to search for the correct one. Select the product line that the product should be tied to, and then enter and select the product category. Make sure your backorder box is checked. You can either choose to create a purchase order here or allow the product to drop to your buyer's buying report. For this instance, we will create a purchase order, so I'll check that box. If you need to rush, copy the comments or select this as a non-cancelable, non-returnable product. Check the boxes here. Enter in the price of the product, tab to the cost, and enter in the cost. The product price type field is a field where the buyer can choose to put in a multiplier for that product for that customer so that when the product is ordered again, the pricing stays consistent. In the item type dropdown, select Create as Order as Needed non-stock. Once these fields are filled out, click Submit. Once you have returned to the Advanced Line Entry screen, you will see that the line type has turned to Special. This product, once received, will now have its own ICSP product record and also its own ICSW warehouse record, and it can be searchable within the system to find the orders associated with it, and it can also be reordered using this product number, the vendor product number, on other orders for other customers. Make sure your quantity ordered is correct, and once you're finished, click Add, and the product will be added to the product section. Your purchase order warning will be created and your back order will be scheduled. Once finished, click the Finish button and your order has been finished. Once we have created the Order as Needed non-stock item and have finished your order, you can go and inquire on that product to find out what other orders have used that product. To access the inquiry, go to Menu, Sales, Inquiry, Order. In the advanced search, click on Show More. For this inquiry, I'm going to select my warehouse, enter in my product, or select from the one that shows up in the dropdown. I will keep my stage blank and search for all transaction types. Click Search. The grid will populate with the orders associated with the product that I've put into the product field. Here's the order number I just created, and if I scroll over to the right, I'll see the product in the product column. Once the product is received, clicking on the hyperlink will take me to the product inquiry screen that will show me information about the product and when it was received into the system. Congratulations! You have just completed course number 145, Advanced Line Entry, Order as Needed non-stock product. Now it's time to try it out. Go to Employees at Work, click the WebUI Train icon, and follow the instructions to log in. Here is your suggested next course.